Before we start, I'm gonna have to break up with that bottle Jack because I think this process is gonna be a motherfucker.
Yeah, Jack Daniels for the win. Alright, it's Twistedchild420 checking in. I'm here with Andrew, random numbers from
944.
yeah, from the forums. We're getting ready to recone a 21. Get the dust caps on display here. See Dr. Jekyll. Mr. Hyde. Sundown 3500s.
Try not to.
All right, people. This is happening. This is going down right now. Motherfucking 21-inch Recone. You know, the people, they've never really just seen a sub being reconed out there, you know what I mean? A lot of people don't know it's even possible, you know what I mean? They think after the sub blows, that's it. But we're here to tell them.
This one I wish it was already is.
Tired about it. Andrew's impressed. This motherfucker's a bitch. Got the terminals on though, hanging out. Alright people, what we're now doing is cleaning the basket. Clear it of all grease and dirt to make sure the CA glue sets up just right. This is important. Remember, get a hold of some good old-fashioned acetone to clean your baskets with. Andrew's orders.
Already.
Yeah, damn Jack Daniels. Okay, we got the CA active. CA glue fucking around here. We're gonna make sure everything's touching right, get everything smooth. Keep it precise. So you spraying that around the spiders?
Yep. Spray an activator. Which will make the CA glue set up faster.
That shit's strong.
And then
Damn.
once it's set up, you can see where it's dried pretty much already.
Yeah, about to say it got right after.
Yeah, it dried real fast.
Now you got.
Because, you know, most of them that I've done haven't been this easy. It's the way these are done. I kind of like the way IE has done these. The way these are so hard.
Yeah.
This has probably been the easiest solder job and the cleanest solder job. I'm not the best at fucking soldering.
Soldering utensil leads here, people. Fucking autofocus is horrible on this bitch. I said zoom, bitch. Alright.
Make it clean and looking as possible.
Right. Oh, fucking bug. You damn fucking moth. This moth has been fucking with me for the last 2 hours.
Kill that bitch. Kill that motherfucker.
Oh, shit.
Hey, give
Uh-oh.
a props to my boy.
The whole JD.
Yeah, he didn't make it through the whole recon.
Yeah.
He slacked on me.
Remember, people, if you want to do a recon,
You got
Jack Daniels.
You know, you got to have the Jack.
No shit. Just fucking.
God damn.
Yeah, we made it happen,
I
people.
think I just pre-shot my
Pre-shot your cardio load. Ain't good to be
Oh, damn.
pre-car ejaculation. Look at that sexy coil sitting in there, people. That's what those spacers were for, I reckon.
Time to glue the funky part.
Alright, people. The funky fizzle. We now have the end result. Wolf is all nice together. Motherfucking cone on there. Stiff as all fucking get out. And let's go ahead and turn this DMM on and see what happens. Oh, what's that? Oh, 1.2 for the motherfucking win. Okay. Try that one more time. And let's see what we got. Oh, 1.5 for the motherfucking win. There it is, people. Recone 21. Holla at your boy.